millions of people. Today you are in our show, so we will don't miss this opportunity. We want to know about your experience, your mistakes, and the things that you have learned from your mistakes that make you so successful. Your deeds and experience would be the source of light and happiness for us. So sir, please tell us.
So, about my mistakes, I think that if you succeed, every mistakes become legendary. But if you fail, that's just a garbage. You know what I'm saying? I think everybody have great stories. Everybody has a lot of mistakes. Everybody had a very wonderful past. But a very few people listen to you. One day, when you become successful, everyone will listen to you. Everyone will say, wow, you are so great. But you should always say that I am not that good. You know, it remembers me that when I was young, I was probably in high school or university, I used to think that Bill Gates took off my job. He took all the great opportunities from me. He did all the successful work. But I thought that there is some chance that I can win. One day, when I was just thinking about the opportunities I can, then I understand that if you want to be succeed, there are many opportunities open for you. When I thought of Larry Ellison from Oracle, I thought that he took all great opportunities from me. I thought that we people have no opportunities. But there I find out that one thing everyone can make successful themselves is that smart thinking. Smart thinking can make anyone successful. I don't think I am a smart person, but I work with a lot of smart people. I understand. I think that smart people always want to be successful. I think smart people always want to be successful in a quick and easy way. But I don't think success comes in a quick and easy way. Success needs a determination. If you want to be successful, you have to plan for 10 years later. You have to win 10 years later. If you want to be successful, you have to work with smart people. If you want to be successful, you have to learn from your mistakes. But is there any chance that if you fail, if you mistake, then also can you succeed? Yes. If you want to be succeed, then you have to work with smart people, learn from their mistakes, learn from your mistakes. I learn from these people's lot. I learn from those people who learn from their mistakes. I learn from my mistakes. I learn from my past. That's my life attitude. Thank you.
Only real mistake is the one from we learn nothing. Let me explain with an example. The great scientist Thomas Edison, who invented the light bulb, when Thomas Edison was working on a making light bulb, he tried 2000 different material in search of filament for the bulb. But when none worked satisfactorily, his assistant said, all our work is in a vain. We have learned nothing. But Edison replied to the assistant very confidently, oh, we have come a long way and we have learned a lots of things. We up to now have learned that there are 2000 elements which we cannot use to make a good light bulb. The moral of the story is that we should learn from our mistakes and our failure. भूल होना प्रकृति है, उसे मान लेना संस्कृति है, उसे सुधार लेना प्रगति है. Making mistakes is our culture, is in our nature. Acceptance of a mistake shows our culture. If we accept our mistake and correct it, that is called progressive life. Jai Hind. Thank you.